Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how can you design this type of listicle landing page. So if you are interested, keep watching. So first of all, we need to log in our Shopify admin dashboard, and that's my Shopify development store. And we need a page builder which is called GemPages, and see here you can see my GemPages landing page builder. I need to open the GemPages landing page builder. Then need to go to the pages options here, and after that you need to import a pages here. No worries, I will share you the GemPages file so you can easily import and start designing that. Okay, so I'm gonna upload the landing page here, and this is the landing page file. Okay, so it says it's done. Okay, and this is our landing page. Okay, see, this is the completely ready-made page for you. When you get this file, then you will get the same here. Okay, you will get this same. So you need to just replace the informations and images according to your brand and your brand asset. So you can change everything here. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how can you change the images and contents here. So I think if you follow my video, you can easily handle by your own. Okay, so see here, if you click the text, you can see here the editor. You can change everything here, like you can change the font style, font family, font size, font text color, alignment, everything. Okay, here you can find out everything. So for now I'm gonna show you how can you replace all the images first. Okay, so, I will add the images to make this page like the same. Okay, same as this advertorial. Okay, so now I'm gonna add this images step by step. Okay, I have added this images. Okay, this is the first one. No, that's on the first, second, third. Okay, so that's on the first, and sorry, this is the second one, and this is the third one. And see, if I show you, this is the fully responsive landing page. Okay, it's already less responsive, so you don't need to do responsive. Okay, so I'm continuing the adding product image or images. This is the region 1. Okay, this is the region 1. This one is region 1. It's 2. Already we have region 2, and this is the region 3. Okay, just click here on the images, so it will automatically showing the editing option. Okay, so just upload image and select image. Same, it's already, this is the gap image, so it's already have here, and this is the 5 image number. This is the 5. Okay, this one, and then the 6, this one, the region 6, Okay, and then this is the region number 7, this one, and we have some customer images on the right side. Okay, here, same as the first one. Okay, this is the same one, so just no need to add these images again. Just click here and add the images. No need to add on the computer. You can select on here by browse gallery. There is the second one, and this one's that. Okay, and here we need to add the limited time offer. So okay, this one. Okay, so now I'm designing these sections. So I have already added the images, and now I'm gonna design this icon like this one. Okay, so for that you need to click on the icon sections, on the icon options. When you click here the icon, it will automatically selected, and when you click the icons, you can see here the row call 1, row call 1, and row call 2. So we need to select this one, the row call 1 on the last. Okay, so when I select that, here we can see the background images. It's showing the placeholder images, so just click here and upload the placeholder images, this one. Okay, so when you add the images, it will looks like that. Okay, so same as this one, just click on the icon, then select the row call 1, scroll down a little bit on the left side, then select that images on the browse gallery, here this one. Okay, so this one is done. If you need to change any text here, you can easily change here. Okay, for now I need to change these images. Okay, so this one first, second, and third. Okay, so this one, first one, second one, and third one. Okay, this one is the second, and this one is third, this one. Okay, now I'm checking on the mobile options. So if I show you, let's say see, it will look like this on mobile version. It automatically will be responsive. Okay, okay, so now I'm gonna publish it. It says duplicate public handle, duplicated the handle. So already I have the I have a landing page with the same page name, so I need to change the URL. Okay, so here I just click on the settings, the gear icon, and here the name, just I have put it here, double one for put the unique name. Okay, of I believe it will not showing again the error. Okay, now it will be published. Okay, so now I'm gonna preview it, and here you go, it's showing like this. Okay, exactly the same as the configurator. If you wanna change these images and also this informations, you can easily change on the GemPages. So that's very easy for you. Okay, and I will attach the preview link on the description. So if you're interested to design this 6 region, not 6 region, this is a 7 region type listicle landing page. So if you're interested, then you can easily find out that landing page. So, ta-ta.